Kilat patai kubor jong ke jela Meghalaya harengkat bat kari India hi borok kawai mentah ka khandru terai unai wing kila penlong ya ke jingraki ya ke National Press Day ha kabau Menteri Sarkar jela wabat ya kenat Information Public Relation ulawan bani dan lang kum kongsan nakaliang jong ke direktor ke bedairu ha kaju upor kum ke sekretari jong ke tenat DIPR ke kong mat seudor war nongpri kabala long kum ke nang syok khot sobha ke bakar pang kabala penpau ba kilat patai kubor kidan ya ke benta ke bakrau ha ke imlang salang ban sam ya ke jingtep leng ba ki kubor syaki paidbah Chief Executive Member KGC ubat titas khan habakran kum usumbut kongsan uloong bakabor kadai kakentien kabaklan bor bha bat ulapan pau baladadan kabor kadan ru ka jingbak li bat kipai ba nongsang sinong kiyo bantip ya ka jingshisha nakaliang James K Sangma ubadairu Menteri Sarkar jela bape ya katrat Information Public Relation ulapan pau bak Sarkar sian kan sapan mi ya ka jimpna paidbah baya kilat patai kabor jong ka jela on itu karpang no iki kum kinong trei ba khmat e kibat trei hakapor jong ka jingdan ka khlam COVID-19 hadian kani kaladan kamat tai halor kapang who is not afraid of the media hakaba kiru shampang kilawan banethirba halor kani ka benta.
And the topic for today says who's not afraid of the media, and I can tell you that today after David has apologized, I'm very sure nobody is going to be afraid of the media from now on. Nobody. Anyway, I've always believed that truth should be unapologetic. And really, if one speaks the truth, you need not apologize. So I think that is the basic tenet and the foundation of journalism, of being in any part of media, that is print or electronic. And we should not apologize for speaking the truth. And that is what I feel that today, when we speak about the topic, who's not afraid of the media, well, it doesn't really end up with a question mark, so I'm a little confused about what the topic means. I was asking David about it, and it is very, very vague. So all the best to all the panelists. Really, you'll have a really good time and tough time trying to discuss this very, very vague and ambiguous topic. But in any case, I'm very sure that the kind of members in the panel, it is going to be a really great discussion, and I'm very sure that the outcome of this discussion is going to be helpful for all of us, especially me, in terms of the insights that it will offer. So I really look forward to the panel discussion, and I think that it's a very meaningful way of celebrating the National Press Day by having a theme and discussing that, especially that's something related to the media. Journalism is often called the art of storytelling. And today, what I wanted to share with you as IPR Minister, to all our friends in the media, in the press, is that this, in the context of us living in the post-truth era, is something that really we're all grappling and coming to terms with all of this. Not just for readers, not just for people who the media and the press reach out to through their stories, through their coverage, but also, but for everyone, that this is something that all of us are trying to grapple with. And this post-truth era is really something that as individuals, as political leaders, for us also, it's really something that we find it so difficult to adjust. And that's what today I come with this appeal to each and every one of you, the kind of responsibility that you shoulder, that you bear. This is something that all of you must understand, that even if it is the post-truth era, I think it is the responsibility of each and every one of you to make sure that truth does prevail, that journalism is objective and never subjective, that we should get rid of yellow journalism. That is one of the most dangerous things that could ever happen to democracy, because you are, well, unofficially, but we all believe that deep in our hearts, that you are the fourth pillar of democracy. And when we have an era wherein we're living in the post-truth era, really, the fourth pillar could, if it were not strong enough because of, being subjective and, because of yellow journalism, then democracy would crumble. So that is the kind of responsibility that each and every one of you bear, and you must always, I believe, have that. It's very easy, I know, being human beings, it's so easy to get swayed by emotions, to get swayed by just one side of the story, but that's how it should be. A story is always has three sides. So it's always my side, it's your side, and the truth. So therefore, this is my appeal to our friends in the media, that we must, as we celebrate National Press Day, always keep in mind that even if we are living in the post-truth era, that truth must prevail.